Today, it's an honor to stand before you today and talk about something that impacts all of us in different ways, yet is often overlooked in the rush of our daily lives: our health. Specifically, the need to prioritize both our mind and body. Maintaining physical health is a fundamental aspect of overall well-being that cannot be overstated. Our bodies are complex systems that require regular care and attention to function optimally. In the modern world, we often neglect our physical health due to busy schedules, work pressures, and the lure of instant gratification. However, prioritizing physical health is one of the most important decisions we can make for ourselves, as it impacts every area of our lives, from how we feel day to day to how we perform in our personal and professional endeavors. One of the most significant factors in maintaining physical health is regular exercise. Physical activity keeps the body strong and resilient, improving cardiovascular health, building muscle strength, and maintaining flexibility. Exercise also has numerous benefits for the mind, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving mood, and enhancing cognitive function. When we engage in physical activity, our bodies release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters that help us feel happier and more energetic. Whether it's going for a walk, practicing yoga, lifting weights, or running, movement helps keep our bodies in good condition and ensures that we are able to carry out daily tasks with ease. But exercise is only one part of the equation. Proper nutrition is equally important in ensuring that our bodies stay healthy and function efficiently. The food we eat provides the fuel our bodies need to perform. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is essential for maintaining energy levels, supporting immune function, and preventing chronic diseases. When we eat well, we give our bodies the nutrients they need to repair, regenerate, and thrive. On the other hand, poor eating habits can lead to various health problems. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Eating nutrient-dense foods, on the other hand, helps regulate blood sugar levels, supports brain function, and boosts the immune system. Drinking plenty of water is also vital for keeping the body hydrated and aiding digestion. Hydration is often overlooked but plays a crucial role in maintaining energy and overall health. In addition to exercise and nutrition, adequate sleep is another pillar of physical health that is often overlooked in our fast-paced world. Sleep is not just a period of rest for our bodies. It's a critical time for the body to repair itself and restore energy. During sleep, the body undergoes processes that promote cell regeneration, muscle repair, and the maintenance of brain function. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to a weakened immune system, cognitive decline, and increased susceptibility to illness. Getting sufficient quality sleep is essential for physical health, as it enables the body to perform at its best during waking hours. Another crucial aspect of physical health is the importance of avoiding harmful habits such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, or drug use. These behaviors can have devastating effects on both short-term and long-term health. Smoking, for instance, is a leading cause of lung cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Excessive alcohol consumption can damage the liver, increase the risk of certain cancers, and impair judgment. Drug use, whether recreational or prescribed incorrectly, can lead to addiction and other health complications. By avoiding or eliminating these harmful habits, we allow our bodies the best chance for long-term health and well-being. Regular checkups and preventive health care are also important in maintaining physical health. Routine visits to the doctor, dentist, and other healthcare providers help detect potential issues early before they become serious problems. Preventive measures such as vaccinations, screenings, and health assessments can save lives and improve the quality of life. In addition, taking the time to monitor and manage chronic conditions such as high blood pressure or diabetes can help individuals maintain a good quality of life and prevent complications. Ultimately, prioritizing physical health is about creating a lifestyle that supports the body's natural rhythms and needs. It requires a balanced approach that incorporates exercise, nutrition, rest, and regular checkups. By making time for our health, we are investing in our long-term well-being and ensuring that we can lead active, fulfilling lives. Although it may take effort and discipline, the benefits of maintaining physical health are immeasurable. Our bodies are our greatest assets, and taking care of them is one of the most meaningful ways to ensure a long, healthy, and vibrant life. Mental health is just as vital as physical health, yet it is often overlooked or neglected in our fast-paced, performance-driven world. While we may spend time focusing on our physical fitness and nutrition, many of us fail to recognize the importance of nurturing our minds. The connection between the mind and body is undeniable. Mental health influences how we perceive the world, make decisions, and interact with others. When we neglect mental well-being, it can have a profound impact on every aspect of our lives. Prioritizing mental health is essential for maintaining a healthy balance, improving our emotional resilience, and leading a fulfilling life. The first step in prioritizing mental health is understanding the significance of mental well-being in our overall health. Mental health affects how we feel, think, and behave. It influences our ability to handle stress, relate to others, and make decisions. Poor mental health can manifest in various ways, such as anxiety, depression, burnout, and emotional exhaustion. These conditions not only impact our emotional state, but can also have physical consequences, such as disrupted sleep, poor digestion, and chronic pain. Therefore, nurturing mental health is critical to living a balanced, healthy life. One key element of mental well-being is stress management. In today's world, stress is a common experience, and it can stem from various sources, such as work, family responsibilities, financial pressures, or societal expectations. While some stress is normal and even motivating, chronic or excessive stress can be detrimental to mental health. It can lead to feelings of overwhelm, irritability, and even depression. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is essential. This can be achieved through mindfulness practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga, which can help reduce the physical and emotional effects of stress. Additionally, engaging in regular physical activity has been shown to reduce stress levels by releasing endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters. Another crucial aspect of mental health is emotional regulation. It's normal to experience a range of emotions, from happiness and excitement to sadness and frustration. However, how we manage these emotions plays a significant role in our mental well-being. Unchecked emotions can lead to mood swings, impulsive behavior, and even emotional outbursts that can affect our relationships and daily functioning. Developing emotional intelligence, recognizing, understanding, and managing our emotions is key to maintaining mental health. This can involve practicing self-compassion, reframing negative thoughts, and learning how to express emotions in healthy ways. Social support also plays a critical role in mental health. Human beings are social creatures, and we thrive when we have strong connections with others. Positive relationships with family, friends, and colleagues provide a sense of belonging, love, and understanding. When we experience difficulties, having a support network can offer comfort, encouragement, and practical assistance. Conversely, isolation and loneliness can contribute to poor mental health, leading to feelings of sadness and depression. Therefore, it's essential to nurture meaningful relationships and seek support when needed. Opening up to trusted friends, family members, or a therapist can provide relief and perspective when faced with emotional challenges. In addition to stress management, emotional regulation, and social support, taking time for self-care is another crucial aspect of mental health. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it can be easy to forget to care for ourselves. However, making time for activities that bring joy, relaxation, and fulfillment is essential for maintaining mental well-being. Engaging in hobbies, spending time in nature, reading a book, or practicing creative outlets such as writing or painting can provide a mental and emotional boost. Rest is also important, not just in the form of sleep, but also taking breaks from work, social media, or other demands. This allows the mind to recharge and reset, preventing burnout and mental fatigue. Seeking professional help when needed is an important part of prioritizing mental health. There's no shame in reaching out for support if you're struggling with mental health challenges. Therapy, counseling, or psychiatric care can offer valuable tools for managing mental health conditions and navigating life's obstacles. Mental health professionals provide a safe space for individuals to explore their thoughts, emotions, and behaviors and offer evidence-based strategies to cope with challenges. Recognizing when you need professional help is an act of self-care. And it's important to remember that taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body. Lastly, prioritizing mental health means being kind to yourself. We live in a world that often demands perfection, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed by expectations. However, self-compassion is an essential part of mental well-being. Acknowledge that you are human and it's okay to make mistakes, have setbacks, or experience difficult emotions. Be gentle with yourself during tough times and allow yourself space to heal. Remember, your mental health is an ongoing journey and it's okay to seek help and take breaks when necessary. By making mental health a priority, we can improve our quality of life, foster stronger relationships, and build emotional resilience. Taking care of our minds is just as important as taking care of our bodies. It's a critical part of living a fulfilling, balanced life. The relationship between physical and mental health is deeply interconnected, with each influencing the other in profound ways. Often, when we think about our well-being, we tend to focus on either the body or the mind, but true health involves both. When one aspect is neglected or unbalanced, it can have a ripple effect on the other. Maintaining harmony between the mind and body is essential for achieving optimal health and living a balanced, fulfilling life. Understanding and nurturing this connection allows us to approach health from a holistic perspective, taking care of both our physical and mental states. The most apparent way in which physical health impacts mental health is through exercise. Physical activity is well known for its positive effects on the body, improving heart health, boosting energy levels, and maintaining muscle strength. But it also plays a crucial role in mental well-being. Exercise helps to release endorphins, which are the body's natural feel-good chemicals. These endorphins promote a sense of happiness and relaxation, often referred to as a runner's high. For those dealing with anxiety, depression, or stress, regular physical activity can be incredibly therapeutic, helping to alleviate symptoms and enhance overall mood. Moreover, physical health practices, such as getting enough sleep, directly influence mental health. Sleep is essential for the body to recharge and repair, but it also plays a key role in mental clarity and emotional regulation. Lack of sleep can lead to irritability, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating. It can also exacerbate feelings of stress and overwhelm, making it harder to cope with daily challenges. On the other hand, a good night's sleep contributes to emotional stability and cognitive function, helping the mind stay sharp and the body feel rejuvenated. This connection highlights how closely physical health and mental health are tied together, where one supports and enhances the other. On the flip side, mental health can have a significant impact on physical health as well. Chronic stress, anxiety, and depression can manifest in physical symptoms. For example, when we experience stress, the body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. In small amounts, cortisol helps the body deal with stress, but when levels remain elevated for extended periods, it can lead to various physical issues such as high blood pressure, a weakened immune system, and digestive problems. Over time, the constant pressure on the body due to mental strain can lead to serious health conditions like heart disease, digestive disorders, and even chronic pain. Furthermore, mental health challenges can affect motivation and behavior, leading to physical health issues. For example, someone struggling with depression may have a reduced desire to engage in physical activities, eat properly, or take care of their body. This lack of self-care can contribute to weight gain, poor nutrition, and a sedentary lifestyle, which in turn exacerbate feelings of fatigue, lethargy, and overall poor health. On the other hand, when mental health is nurtured and supported, individuals are more likely to engage in healthy habits such as eating nutritious foods, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. The mind-body connection also plays a vital role in the recovery from illness or injury. Studies have shown that individuals with a positive outlook and strong mental health are more likely to experience faster recovery times from physical injuries or surgeries. This is because mental health directly influences immune function, inflammation, and pain tolerance. A positive mindset can boost the immune system, promote healing, and reduce the perception of pain. Conversely, negative emotions and stress can slow the healing process and make physical recovery more difficult. Taking care of both physical and mental health requires an integrated approach, one that considers the needs of both the body and mind simultaneously. For example, incorporating activities that benefit both physical and mental health, such as yoga or Tai Chi, can be a powerful way to promote overall well-being. These practices combine physical movement with mindfulness and relaxation techniques, helping to reduce stress while improving flexibility, strength, and cardiovascular health. Similarly, activities like walking in nature or engaging in creative hobbies such as painting or writing can have dual benefits, promoting physical activity while soothing the mind. Moreover, seeking professional help when needed is crucial for balancing both aspects of health. Regular checkups with healthcare providers can help maintain physical health and address any concerns early on. Similarly, talking to a therapist or counselor can help individuals address mental health challenges and develop strategies for managing stress, anxiety, or depression. In many cases, a holistic approach to health, which addresses both physical and mental needs, can lead to better outcomes and a higher quality of life. Ultimately, the mind and body are inseparable. Each has an influence on the other. Fostering a balanced relationship between the two is essential for achieving overall well-being. When we prioritize both our physical and mental health, we give ourselves the best chance for a long, healthy, and happy life. By understanding how deeply connected the mind and body are, we can take proactive steps to nurture both, creating a foundation for a healthier, more fulfilling existence. Listening to your body and mind is one of the most important aspects of maintaining overall health. In our busy, fast-paced lives, it can be easy to overlook or ignore the subtle signs our bodies and minds send us. However, paying attention to these signals is essential for understanding what we need and taking the necessary actions to prioritize our well-being. Being attuned to our body's needs, whether physical or emotional, can prevent burnout, reduce stress, and help us live a more balanced and fulfilling life. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, whether through physical sensations or feelings of discomfort. For instance, fatigue, pain, or discomfort can be signs that we need rest or that something is off. When we feel physically tired, it's the body's way of saying it needs sleep or a break. Ignoring this sign by pushing through the fatigue can lead to more severe health issues such as weakened immune function, chronic fatigue, or even injury. The same goes for aches and pains. If we experience persistent pain or discomfort, it could indicate an underlying problem that requires attention, whether it be a muscle strain, joint issue, or something more serious. Listening to these physical signals helps us prevent further damage and promotes better long-term health. Similarly, our mental health provides valuable signals that can guide our actions. For example, feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or emotionally drained might indicate that we need to take a step back and recharge. It's crucial to recognize when stress is becoming unmanageable and take proactive steps to alleviate it. This could involve taking a break from work, practicing mindfulness, or engaging in relaxing activities. Ignoring mental distress, on the other hand, can lead to burnout, anxiety disorders, or depression. Just as we seek medical attention when we are physically ill, we must also seek support for mental health when necessary. Recognizing these emotional signs and acting upon them is a key aspect of self-care. Another essential aspect of listening to our bodies and minds is understanding the difference between temporary discomfort and signs of something more significant. For instance, if we push ourselves during a workout and feel a bit sore the next day, that's usually normal, as it's part of the muscle recovery process. However, if the soreness turns into sharp pain or persists for an extended period, it could be a signal that something more serious is at play, such as an injury or overexertion. Similarly, feeling sad or anxious occasionally is a normal part of life, but if those emotions become constant or overwhelming, it may indicate that there is an underlying mental health issue that needs attention. Listening to your body also means recognizing when something isn't right, even when there are no obvious physical symptoms. For example, you might feel a sense of unease or discomfort without being able to pinpoint exactly what's wrong. These feelings could be caused by emotional stress, anxiety, or unresolved issues. It's important to give yourself the space to explore these feelings, whether through introspection, journaling, or talking to someone you trust. Doing so allows you to gain clarity about what's going on internally and address the underlying cause before it escalates. Furthermore, listening to our bodies and minds can also help us recognize when we are out of balance or when we need to make adjustments to our routine. Many people go through life on autopilot, not stopping to assess whether their current habits are serving them well. By taking a moment to reflect, we can gain insight into areas where we might need to make changes. Perhaps you realize that you've been working too much and haven't been giving yourself time to relax. Or maybe you've been neglecting your physical health by skipping workouts. When we listen to our body and mind, we can identify areas where we need to slow down, create boundaries, or engage in activities that promote well-being. Additionally, by tuning into your body and mind, you can become more self-aware and develop a deeper understanding of your needs. This level of self-awareness is essential for making informed decisions about how to take care of yourself. It allows you to identify patterns in your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors and adjust accordingly. For example, if you notice that you feel stressed out every time you overcommit to social obligations, you can learn to say no more often and prioritize your own needs. This level of mindfulness enables you to be proactive in preventing negative outcomes rather than reacting to them after they occur. In a world filled with distractions and external pressures, it's easy to lose touch with ourselves. However, making the effort to listen to both our bodies and minds can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. It allows us to take better care of ourselves and make choices that promote health, happiness, and balance. The more we tune in to the messages our bodies and minds are sending us, the better equipped we are to handle life's challenges and lead fulfilling, healthy lives. Small steps can make a big difference when it comes to prioritizing your health, both mentally and physically. In today's world, many people are overwhelmed by the idea of making drastic changes to their lifestyle, especially when it comes to health and well-being. The concept of drastic, immediate changes can seem daunting and even unrealistic, often leading to frustration or giving up altogether. However, by focusing on small, manageable steps, you can create sustainable habits that will have a significant impact on your overall health in the long run. These incremental improvements are often more effective than trying to overhaul your entire life at once and help build a foundation for lasting change. One of the most powerful benefits of starting with small steps is that they allow for gradual progress. When you break down a large goal, such as improving your physical health or mental well-being, into smaller, more achievable tasks, it feels less intimidating and more attainable. For instance, instead of setting a goal to exercise for an hour every day right away, you can begin by committing to 10 or 15 minutes of activity a few times a week. This small, realistic goal can gradually increase as your body adapts to the routine, eventually building to longer and more frequent workouts. By starting small, you allow yourself the flexibility to build habits over time without feeling overwhelmed or discouraged. Similarly, in terms of mental health, taking small steps can make a significant difference in how you manage stress or improve emotional well-being. If you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, setting aside just 5 minutes a day for mindfulness or breathing exercises can provide immediate relief. Over time, this small practice can have a cumulative effect, helping to reduce anxiety levels, increase focus, and foster a greater sense of calm. As you incorporate these practices into your daily life, you may find that your ability to manage stress improves, leading to a more positive mental state. These small actions, when done consistently, can make a lasting impact on mental health, providing the foundation for healthier coping mechanisms and emotional resilience. Another important aspect of small steps is that they help you build consistency and accountability. Often, when people set large goals, they tend to struggle with consistency because the goals are too broad or unrealistic. For example, aiming to lose 30 pounds in a month might seem like a good starting point, but it's difficult to sustain that level of intensity over a long period. Instead, focusing on smaller, consistent steps, such as adding more vegetables to your meals or taking a short walk every day, helps you establish routines that you can maintain. The more you practice these small habits, the more likely they are to become ingrained in your lifestyle. Over time, these behaviors will add up, contributing to long-term changes in both physical and mental health. Additionally, small steps allow you to celebrate progress along the way, which can be incredibly motivating. Often, the bigger goals are focused on the end result, and the journey can feel long and discouraging. However, by breaking down goals into smaller milestones, you create opportunities for celebrating incremental progress. For example, if your goal is to improve physical fitness, you might celebrate small victories like successfully completing a week of workouts or adding an extra set to your routine. These moments of recognition reinforce positive behavior and encourage you to continue on your health journey. This sense of accomplishment fuels motivation and keeps you moving forward, even when faced with challenges. Small steps also provide room for learning and adapting. When you make gradual changes, you have the opportunity to assess what works best for you and what doesn't. For example, you might try a new type of exercise or a different approach to managing stress, and if it doesn't feel right, you can adjust or try something else without feeling like you've failed. This flexibility encourages experimentation and self-discovery, allowing you to find what truly works for you and supports your health goals in a way that feels personalized and achievable. The key is to stay open to trying different approaches and be kind to yourself when things don't go exactly as planned. Finally, small steps make it easier to build long-term habits because they don't require a radical shift in lifestyle. Rather than attempting to change everything overnight, which can be overwhelming and unsustainable, small, consistent actions lead to lasting transformations. Whether it's getting a little more sleep, drinking more water, eating one healthier meal each day, or practicing gratitude, these small habits will compound over time and lead to significant improvements in your health. The key is consistency, not perfection, and by taking small steps each day, you will ultimately achieve the health and well-being you desire. In conclusion, small steps are not only more manageable and sustainable, but they also create a sense of achievement and momentum that encourages